In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share eBay listings on Facebook eBay. If you've ever found a great item on eBay and wanted to show it to friends, promote a deal, or share it with a community you're part of, this walkthrough will make it simple and quick. We'll move from finding the right product to opening the share options to posting it on Facebook with a clean preview and a clear caption. Start by opening eBay and navigating to the specific product page you want to share. Make sure you're on the full listing, not just a search results page. Take a moment to confirm the item details: photos, price, condition, size or color variations, shipping cost, and return policy, so you're confident you're sharing exactly what you intend. If the listing has multiple variations, pick the one you want highlighted, since the preview on Facebook can reflect the option you're viewing. This is also a good time to verify the seller's rating and any time-sensitive promotions, so you can mention them when you post. Next, look for the share option on the listing page. On desktop, it's typically near the title, price, or right alongside buttons like watch and add to cart. On mobile, it may appear as a curved arrow or a share icon near the top of the page. If you don't see it right away, scroll a little or expand any overflow icons. Clicking share opens a small menu or panel with different ways to spread the link. If a share window doesn't open, check for pop-up blockers or try refreshing the page. From the share choices, choose Facebook. This will open a Facebook share dialog in a new tab or pop-up. If you're not signed in, you'll be prompted to log in first. Once the preview loads, pick where you want to share your timeline, a group, or a page you manage, then set the audience if needed. Add a brief caption that tells people why you're sharing the item, like what makes it a good find or who it's perfect for. Keep it clear and helpful. Double check that the previews show the correct image and title from eBay, and that the link looks clean. If the preview doesn't load, wait a moment or reload the dialog. When everything looks right, confirm to share. And that's all there is to it. Choose the product on eBay, open the share options, and send it to Facebook with a thoughtful caption. Thanks for watching and happy sharing.